Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hi loves, we are jumping straight to the chase. So this is the hair that I purchased from Supernova, and this is a 26-inch straight lace wig, 13 by 6. Now I started off by giving my wig a bleach bath because I did want some color, because I did not want to use black this time. I used only bleach with 40 developer, and this is how I achieved the look. So I just kept going until I accomplished the color that I wanted. And if you would like a video on how I got this look, please comment below. Okay, so once I put the wig on, I did realize that it was a little too big, but luckily it does come with adjusted straps. So once I went ahead and adjusted, it fit perfectly. So I'm giving you girls a close-up look on how the wig looks. When you give your wig a bleach bath, it does bleach the knots automatically. But I don't care how well the knots are bleached. I always go over my lace with some powder, or you can either use foundation. If you are installing a wig, it is mandatory to have a hot comb. It doesn't matter if you're using the hot comb that has the cord or the stove hot comb. No matter what, make sure you have one, because this step is very crucial to laying down your wig. When cutting your lace to fit your perimeter of your head, you definitely want to make sure you're cutting behind your ear, because there's always going to be excess lace. So what I do is I just part the hair from the front tip of my ear to the back of my ear. Wherever you feel a tab, you just want to cut under your hair. This way there is no lace sticking, because that is so annoying, y'all. It's like once you see the wig coming together, you get excited. Like, is that just me? So now I'm just using my Got To Be spray, and I'm just spraying outside the perimeter of the hairline. You can use the spray or the glue. I actually prefer the glue, but I ran out, so I'm using the spray. Definitely blow dry your hair after you spray the spray or the glue onto your wig. Once the glue is completely dry, or the spray, that's when you want to grab your razor comb or your scissors and just cut in a diagonal pattern. If you are using scissors, that's why I prefer the razor, because it's already going to give that jagged edge, and just cut all across. So a side part is what I was going for. So after laying down the lace wig with the glue, I put my headband on to hold it down while I style my wig. You will need a flat comb for this part as well, because you have to make sure your hair is laying down as flat as possible whenever you're doing either a middle part or a side part. It doesn't matter, because that is going to keep your wig from looking bulky. And you also need your wax stick as well. That's going to help 10 times more. So 5 hours later, after trying to get this baby hair down, this is what it looks like. I definitely wanted to curl it, because I just wasn't looking forward to straight hair. So I'm going to grab my curling iron. Now, if you would like a video on how I curl my hair, just leave a comment below, and I will make sure I post that video up for you. And voila, this is the final look. I got the curls popping, side part, baby hair color. I mean, it gets no better than this, and I'm feeling myself. Thank you for watching. Mwah.